989 1972.
Welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Taryn joining me out here on a windy Wednesday morning.
Blustery.
Yeah.
Halloween, a few days away, and you know about black cats crossing your path.
Yes.
But what about a black squirrel?
I haven't heard any myths or legends about black squirrels.
Okay. Because as I was driving into work today, there was a black squirrel right on my path. I'm like, dude, do you want to be hit?
Yeah. There's a few in the neighborhood. I mean, I see a lot more brown squirrels than black squirrels. So I'm going to say, whether it's true or not, I'm going to say that black squirrels are a sign of good luck.
Okay, thank you, because we also have a rainbow picture today.
Okay.
And that's a good sign, too. Wow, are we going to be blown away?
We've got a pretty stiff breeze out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, yes, a rainbow.
A rainbow. This is from Michael Nelson. Sent this photo of a double rainbow at Big Alkali Lake after a storm this summer. This was by Valentine.
Yeah, that's great. That's a great shot of the rainbow. When I was in Iceland, we saw a few rainbows, especially by the waterfalls that we saw with the sun on the waterfalls.
Yeah.
Some pretty cool rainbows.
How was Iceland? Was it amazing? Is it what you expected?
It was magical. It was great. The people were great. The viewers that toured with us was great. It is a tortured but magical land. Now, what I mean by tortured, more like in the landscape, because there are glaciers that carve valleys, there's lava, there's volcanoes, there's little earthquakes, although we didn't experience any earthquakes or anything like that. I should say we didn't notice any, noticeable earthquakes because they were too light to feel, but there were some there according to the place we went.
I saw you in some hot pool.
Yes, that was the Blue Lagoon, which is ocean water heated by the geothermal activity in the earth below.
So this was a good trip for you as a meteorologist.
As a meteorologist, as an earth scientist, it was great because I got to everything I learned in school about glaciers and rift valleys and earthquakes and volcanoes. It was all right there.
Look at my hair. I mean,
just give it up. Just let it flow. Let it blow in the wind.
Let it blow. All right. I like it. You better get to your forecast.
I suppose I should, yes. All right, go inside, fix your hair. Let's take a look at the 7-day precipitation potential. And again, we are looking at really no precipitation coming up over the next several days. More than likely, we're seeing dry conditions. Now, we're going to see some up and down temperatures for the next week. But again, from today all the way until next Wednesday, not looking for any kind of significant or measurable precipitation. Here's a look at the 10-day forecast for the Lincoln area. We are talking about temperatures warming up a little bit. Now, tomorrow's going to be a cold start for sure in Lincoln, upper 20s perhaps, and then about 60 in the afternoon with mostly sunny skies and not as windy. And then a bit cooler for Halloween. Halloween looks dry with mid-50s, although could be a little bit on the cool side for the trick-or-treaters Friday evening. Saturday, game day, looking for a cool day, low 50s, but it should be dry. And then a bit warmer for Sunday, mid-60s, as we fall back. Again, daylight saving time will come to an end on Sunday. Then next week, we're looking at temperatures to be kind of at or maybe a little bit above average, and generally dry conditions. For central Nebraska, looking for a cool, breezy day today, cold tonight, warmer tomorrow, cooler again for Halloween, and maybe only the upper 40s for Saturday, so kind of a chilly day, but again, dry, and then dry for Sunday, a bit warmer, and then pleasant temperatures for the first week of November next week. Northern Nebraska, looking at a chilly, breezy day today, but lots of sunshine for places like O'Neill and Ainsworth. 58 for Thursday, warming up, and then Halloween will be cooler with some clouds, but should be dry. Saturday should be dry as well, but only in the mid-40s, but warming back up for Sunday, and then looking at upper 50s for next week with the dry conditions continuing. And finally for southwest Nebraska, looking for some up and down temperatures, generally dry, some clouds for Halloween, but should be dry, and then up to 60 perhaps, or maybe 70, I should say, for Sunday in the southwestern portion of the state, McCook area, and then 60s for next week. Let's check out the next 8 to 14 days as we dive deeper into November. A very good probability of above average temperatures November 5th through November 11th. As far as precipitation, though, looks like northern parts of western, eastern Nebraska, maybe near average precipitation, but maybe an area south central central and southwest Nebraska, where we could be looking at precipitation a little bit below average. So again, temperature is really not that cold for this time of year or that warm, just kind of in between average, maybe a little bit below a couple of days, a little bit above some other days for the next 5 to 7 days. John, Taryn?
All right. Sounds good.
I think I'm back together.
Okay, very good. Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, thank you. Well,